Hey, what's up guys? This is a Pokemon enthusiast back with another video. Today I'm going to try the Unified Minds and the Unbroken Bonds from Sun and Moon. Now I'm not totally 100% confident with the names on all these. So if I mess them up, I'll learn. This is all learning for me. So I think we'll do this one last. We're gonna do these, and I have, after this video, I'm waiting on my booster pack of the base set. Either it's gonna be, and it's heavy, of the Blastoise or the Venusaur. So we're waiting on that, and then after the video, it's gonna be slate cut, and then I'm gonna have the next video of me opening up that heavy pack. So stay tuned for that. Okay. We're gonna go right into this. So we got 7 of these, and we got 1 of the Unbroken Bonds. Sneasel. Alright. There's your code card. Okay. So, got the Psychic Energy. We got the Dragonair. That's pretty cool. We got Steenie. We got Doublade. Sneasel. Magnemite. Slackoff. Axu. Fletchinder. That's a reverse hollow of Camerupt. And we got Celebi. Looks like it is hollowed. So we got a hollow Celebi. Alright. Next. Come on. Man, tough to open. Okay. Got the Fire Energy. We got Breloom. Dark City. Musharna, or Musharna, Fomantis, Riolu, Purloin, Joltik, Dratini, with a reverse hollow Steenie, with a Latias, non-hollow. So right now, not doing too hot. That just means better is to come, right? Let's see here. There's that. Got the Leaf Energy. We got Type Null, Pokemaniac, Lapras, Dewpider, Drudgeon, Cottony, Fomantis, Seawaddle, Axu, with a reverse hollow, with Magmortar, non-hollow. Well, there's 3 packs down. Nothing great. Man. Jeepers, so hard. There, finally. Alright. Got the fighting energy. Wynut. Arkin. Lampin. Shroomish. Drifloon. Poodoopiter. Cryogonal. Mariani with a reverse Purloin with Scrafty. Non-hollow. I don't know. Something better come out of these last three here. Okay, so Fairy Energy, Flyinium, Blizzard Town, Wynut, Riolu, Meditite, Shroomish, Slakoth, Drifloon, a reverse hollow Basculin with Salazzle, non-hollow. This all came out of the same booster box too, and we ain't getting nothing. Striking out, striking out, striking out. Maybe the Unbroken Bonds will be the one that gives us something. Water Energy. Unidentified Fossil. Tornadus. Swedloon. Salandit. Scraggy, Dynamo, Cubone, Drudgeon, with a reverse Relicanth, with, yes, Mega Sableye and Tyranitar. In the gold, when I was playing the Game Boy, Tyranitar is my man. I had him everywhere. Level 100. Oh, that's a nice looking card. That's the best card so far. We'll put that one right here. Give me. Alright, here we go. Got Psychic Energy, Magneton, Sableye, Swaloon, Noibat, Sneasel, Bounsweet, Joltek, Salandit, Great Potion Reverse with a Drifblim, non-hollow. Okay, so I think the only good ones that we had was this one is hollow, the Celebi with the GX Tag Team Mega Celebi and the Tyranitar. So, those two. And we're gonna break into the Unbroken Bonds. One pack. Let's see what one pack can give us. It was the last pack in the booster box that I bought. So, come on. Man, this one's tight. This one's in there. Usually you could peel that apart. Ah, there we go. Finally, holy moly. Jabers. I think it's the same trick. I don't know. We'll find out. Yep. Okay. Energy, water energy, Giovanni's exile, Duckstone, Reticate, Sparrow, Lickitung, Litten, Crabbe, Tangela, Reverse Ekans with a Persian GX. Nice. Hey, in one pack we got a GX out of it. Alright. Oh, that's good though. Alright guys. So the next video that's going to be coming up will be me opening up that booster pack. Okay guys? Base set. Unlimited. Blastoise or Venusaur, you have no idea. I'll actually show me opening the box and all that. And it's going to be weighed, so it'll have the weight on it. Alright guys, so it'll be a short little clip and we'll hand it over to myself here in a little bit. Alright, see ya. Alright guys, I am back from my other video. I'm linking them together. My package has just arrived. Not sure what's in here. It's either the Blastoise or the Venusaur base set unlimited. And it is heavy. So the heaviest one on the eBay was 21.3 grams. So we will see what is in here. Not sure if it's Blastoise or a Venusaur. Oh, I cut it. Nah, just joking. Well, it seems to be pretty well taken care of. What did we get in here? A lot of paper. And we got a Venusaur. Oh, it is the heavy one. So this is the heaviest out of the ones that were pictured. The heaviest. It's got its own little bag that they put it in. We're gonna just snip off the top layer. So let it out. Look at that pack. Look at it. So this is a the heaviest one that they had. Must have been one of the first ones to buy it, so I don't know, man. We shall see what is inside here. Yeah, I remember opening these a long time ago. These are all the Pokemon that I do know. So, alright guys. See if I can get in here nice and easy. Should get in here pretty easy. Oh, nope. That is not the way I wanted it. I'm hoping there's something good in here. Okay. So I think the card trick I saw was so thick was 3. So there's the rare on the back. Hopefully it should be a holo. So okay, here we go. We got our canine. We got the energy retrieval. We got Ivysaur. We got the trainer. We got Starmie. Bulbasaur. Magnemite. Pidgey. Water energy. I think this is the last one. What do you guys think it's going to be? I'm not sure if this is the last one or not. Nope, another energy. Now this is the last card. Please. Maybe it'll be a Charizard. Maybe it won't be anything good. I don't know. It's water. And it's Gyarados. Definitely not one of the best ones. But we'll take it. Alright guys. It was a very, very heart palpitating moment when you open a pack like that. But we got a Gyarados. Take a look. Not bad. Siren looks good. So, alright guys, give it a thumbs up, comment, like it, and subscribe. Alright guys, peace out.